really small. This is mental here.
Oh shit!
Yo, welcome to a new video. So you're joining me here today somewhere in Winchester in a little car, mate. Yeah, it's mental. Yeah, that sounds cute. BMW M2 CS, amazing lights, RS5 Quattro, beautiful. Right, so this is Matt. He's gonna show me around his BMW M4. Oh my lord, my. I love that stainless steel oil filter. That's a beautiful looking engine bay. Tell me a bit more about this car then, Matt. Like, what have you done to it? I mean, I can clearly see the visual
so
of it.
it's a custom stage 2 map by Paul Johnson via Petroleum Spirit and BM3. I've had a new charge cooler made by Project Gamma. It's about 6% bigger than the standard. We've got the VRSF intakes, which bring the filters to the front, get a bit more cold air in. A Muscleman thermostat, the Amarina, and we've got the Downstar dress kit, bolts, the golden wrench, golden cap. So yeah, carbon fibre bonnet.
Yeah, and carbon fibre, look at it, it's grabbing it. Wow. Let's check the inside of it. Oh, this is beautiful.
We've got GTS rear lights.
Wow.
Lights up.
Where's that wheel from?
I got this, made this one.
Yeah, I've been looking for those for ages. Come on.
Goes through your revs.
Yeah, all your oil temps and everything.
Oil temps, you can put 60 times.
Wow. So what do you think of the Me so far? Nice cars that have turned up.
Speechless, dude, honestly.
Yeah.
I mean, every single cars here are so beautiful. Let's hear this 140i. Oh, this is beautiful.
At least we got here early for parking.
That's right,
It's meeting you, man. So what's your
Cheers,
name?
mate. So it's Guy.
God, nice, man. So how long you had that car for?
I'm trying to remember. I think I got it in May,
Right.
and I bought it from Charlie.
From
Petroleum Spirit. It was pretty much standard, to be honest, when I bought it. Scorpion back box, spacers on the wheels, and some lowering springs. Like I think it was like 20mm on the front, or 30mm on the front, and 20mm on the back. I didn't want anything like silly low. It just gives it that little bit of a stance, a bit better with the spacers and stuff.
I think it looks great.
And I had a bit of body work done, had the front bumper resprayed because that was quite bad with stone chips. A little bit of work on the boot lid and stuff, just to sort of bring it back to life. Had it like all detailed, ceramic coated.
And how's the inside though? Let's
have a look.
Let's look at the inside. Let's check this out. Oh wow, that is clean. Beautiful. That looks clean. So this is my first time here in the Podium Cafe.
Look at the coffee price, not the car prices, right? They're like 160 grand, 170 up.
No way.
Ferrari spinning, the Porsche is spinning.
Oh no way. Look at that. Right, so I'm actually inside the Podium, and can somebody educate me with the Porsches, because I can see that's a Porsche turbo, but what Porsche is this? oh, that's the 911 turbo thing. Wow. Because I get so confused with the Porsches. That's a Ferrari 612, 2005. This is actually a very nice place to have a coffee.
Spec.
Right.
So you've got the roll cage, the carbon buckets
That I can see inside, yeah.
Roll cage, we've got the harnesses.
Yep,
Obviously we've got the big wing, the 2-center exhaust.
Right.
This has got slightly wider, so you put the fins on either side. This one's been spec with the clear lights, so they don't all come with that. They come with the red ones as well, which is quite nice.
Nice, yeah.
And then inside you'll see that you've got so the full carbon
seats, yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that. That's pretty. I mean, so these are all spec'd out, right?
Yeah.
So
so you can get it with like comfort seats, which just has the normal seats in it from like the 911 Turbo. Yeah, this is basically upgraded seats, and this one also has. So it's got the full carbon fibre inside, carbon fibre illuminated door trims as well.
must be very nice at night, eh?
Yeah, exactly. And then all of this is all options. So literally, when this car was spec'd in 2014, everything that you see is spec'd from the factory. So with the exception of the heated seats, every single extra has been ticked. Every single extra. And when we bought this, it only had 1,700 miles on the clock for 2014. Looking at it now, like when you look at the way that the models have actually now increased in value, it's actually a very good price for this car. So probably just bought it at the right time. At the time it was the most expensive one that was there. The deposit was a very special one, with literally all of the extras that were put on it. So it was part of the collection.
Yeah. So yeah, well, now I'm in front of the M850, and this is the owner of. What's your name again, bro?
Rishi.
Rishi. Nice to meet you, Rishi, man. This is the 850, and what sort of horsepower does this thing
It's
got?
550, 530.
530. Oh my lord, and that's standard.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So this has got the adaptive cruise control. Oh yeah, I can see that. Oh yeah.
I don't think I can do without that.
Is it? Yeah, because once you get used to with that feature, that's it. You know? So that's Josh with the M2. Let's listen to this. So this is something I've just learned from Jude, that this actually pushing out 410 brake horsepower because it's the M2 competition, and yeah, it's actually sitting on 18-inch, so look like 19-inch alloys. Looks wonderful. I think that's a good way of just finishing up this video. Thank you very much for joining in, and I have to say thank you very much, Jude, for bringing me here. And do make sure to subscribe to Jude, give him some support. And whoever's like subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And I see you for my next video, guys. Goodbye.